Welcome friends in the series of candlestick and chart patterns. As mentioned earlier, these candlesticks and charts patterns can be used any kind of trading assets, and today we're going to talk about the hanging man. Hanging man looks like this. It has a tiny body and a long lower wick, and this indicates the market downtrend after uptrend, as we can see here. In this example, guys, market was an uptrend, and this one, guys, let me indicate here. This is the hanging man. Not even though it's not the exact kind of hanging man, but as I mentioned earlier, in the real time on the real chart, you rarely find the exact kind of candlestick or any kind of pattern. So you need to figure out. Moreover, apart from this hanging man, you will see one. This candlestick is called gravestone dozy pattern. This is also confirmation, so we got double confirmation here, and right after that market went down considerably. So very simple, guys. How will you place trade on here? The moment closes, the candle closes here, you will place a sell order right here, and then your stop loss going to be above this candle. Even though if I would place a stop loss here, because we have, this is the highest high specifically in this time frame, so your stop loss going to be somewhere around here, and take profit you can just trail the take profit, and it is advisable, guys, rather trading these indicators, the candlestick patterns alone. It is advised that trade with support and resistance, right? That would give you much more accuracy level of trading. So in the next coming videos, we will talk rest candlestick and chart patterns. So I would really appreciate, guys, if you subscribe and like this video.